Hi, this is the TCL 40SE and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So open first the Muviz Edge application and select one from the available themes. Tap to apply. If you wanna change the backgrounds of the theme, you could do that just by swipe to the up or to the down. Click to apply, tap to music controls. We could hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. To activate and turn off notifications and calendar, to show the date, to show battery status always while charging never. Let's tap to the X icon, switch AOD to the settings, tap to always on display. Here on the right upper corner we got the switcher to activate or turn off always on display option. You could also show it on lock screen always while charging. On music we could also use these two options separately. To decrease or increase the brightness level, to change the AOD timeout, low power after time, screen orientation, to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you could use it with this fingerprint. Just close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our cell phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.